All right, let's talk about Delhi and the upcoming elections, because the battle for Delhi that has now entered its final leg, with the Aam Aadmi Party now making a sensational charge against the BJP, saying that the party is poisoning Delhi voters, even as BJP continues to question the Aam Aadmi Party Sarkar on its promise to clean Yamuna for the last 10 years. Meanwhile, AAP convener and Supremo and former Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has now alleged that it is BJP's government in Haryana which has poisoned the water in Yamuna, and it is only due to the vigilant Delhi Jal Board that a mass genocide was avoided. He has now also accused the BJP of using biological weapons and has claimed that this was a bid to create chaos and panic ahead of the elections.
दिल्ली के लोगों को पीने का पानी हरियाणा और उत्तर प्रदेश से मिलता है। हरियाणा में यमुना के रास्ते पीने का पानी आता है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी की हरियाणा की सरकार ने दिल्ली में यमुना से आने वाले पानी में जहर मिला के भेज दिया है। ये तो हमारे हमारे दिल्ली जल बोर्ड के इंजीनियर्स का कि उन्होंने पकड़ लिया। उन्होंने दिल्ली के बॉर्डर पे ही वो पानी रोक दिया और उस पानी को दिल्ली के अंदर नहीं आने दिया। अगर ये पानी जो भारतीय जनता पार्टी की हरियाणा सरकार ने दिल्ली में भेजा है, इसके अंदर उन्होंने ऐसा जहर मिला के भेजा है जिसका दिल्ली में जो वाटर ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट्स हैं उसमें भी उसकी सफाई नहीं हो सकती। कहीं दो देशों के युद्ध में बायोलॉजिकल वेपन्स फेंक दिए जाते हैं, कहीं दो देशों के युद्ध के अंदर पानी में जहर मिला के वहां पे जाने वाली नदी में डाल दिया जाता है। इस तरह से तो दो देशों के युद्ध के अंदर हम लोगों ने इस तरह के काम देखे थे, लेकिन आज जिस तरह से भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने दिल्ली में आने वाले पानी में जहर मिला के भेज दिया है, मैं बीजेपी को कहना चाहता हूं, इतना मत गिरिए।
Now it is being said that the Delhi Chief Minister along with the Punjab Chief Minister has also penned a letter to the Chief Election Commissioner alleging that there has been a sharp spike in ammonia levels in Yamuna waters ahead of the elections, which has adversely affected Delhi water supply, and claimed that this amounts to water terrorism. Kejriwal, however, compared the alleged pollution to biological warfare and has warned that it could potentially lead to mass casualties in the capital. Delhi Chief Minister Atishi also weighed in onto the matter, accusing Haryana of deliberately discharging industrial waste into the river, further fueling the political debate.
ये जहरीला पानी है जो भारतीय जनता पार्टी की हरियाणा सरकार दिल्ली वालों के लिए छोड़ रही है। आज भारतीय जनता पार्टी चुनाव के हार की बौखलाहट से इतना नीच काम, इतना गंदा काम दिल्ली वालों के पानी रोकने का काम कर सकती है। ये वाटर ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट बंद हो जाएंगे, दिल्ली के लोग प्यासे मर जाएंगे। हार के डर से भारतीय जनता पार्टी दिल्ली वालों को मारना चाहती है।
However, over this issue, what has now been known through sources that the Election Commission, the poll body, has now directed the Haryana government to immediately provide a factual report by noon. Let's in the meantime get you a counter that has now come in from the Delhi Jal Board side, because it has now gone ahead to release a statement quashing the Aam Aadmi Party's claim. The Delhi Jal Board in a report has mentioned that the claims by the Aam Aadmi Party were actually factually incorrect, without any basis, and misleading the highlights, and also false statements that are leading to fear-mongering amongst the people. In a letter, the Delhi Jal Board CEO has highlighted that ammonia in Yamuna waters increases every year as post-monsoons, and the water treatment process that is also being taken up, saying that this is when it comes to the untreated sewage that is often also being seen. This is annual phenomena, rather, when it comes to how the weather also changes in time and again, as far as the Delhi weather conditions are also concerned. So let's get in a word from Isha right now. Isha, now when it comes to the Delhi Jal Board, this seems to be countering the claims that have been made by the Delhi Chief Minister and former Delhi Chief Minister, saying that the water treatment of Delhi Jal Board are actually fully equipped to handle ammonia concentrations, and even when it comes to higher, that are also currently being recorded. This is the claim and counter, rather, and fact check that is now being done by the Delhi Jal Board.
Right, Amita. So this is not the first time that a department inside the government, inside the Delhi government, has come out and stated that the Aam Aadmi Party's claims may be facetious. And this particular claim has now been countered by the Delhi Jal Board. They are stating that Arvind Kejriwal and Atishi's claims may not actually hold substance, and the fact that the Delhi Jal Board is equipped to handle pressure, and they're also attributing it to change in temperature, and that is leading to change in ammonia levels. However, the Aam Aadmi Party is stating that this is water terrorism. They have given it a big name, and that has also led to massive reactions from the stalwarts in the Haryana government and in Delhi as well. In fact, BJP leaders from all across are hitting out at the Aam Aadmi Party, stating that their information is incomplete and that they are attacking them without any basis, without any substance. But when we speak about the Aam Aadmi Party, they have actually compared this to a war and stated that this would happen when two nations would go into war, and people would and countries would stoop down to polluting and poisoning rivers. So their statement is being met with somewhat of a question mark, and is not being bought by several people, is what is coming out right now. But
right.
BJP vehemently attacking the Aam Aadmi Party for
We'll
such
get to the
claims.
politics of it right now. Isha, please do stay on with us. But let's put out exactly when it comes to the fact check that has now been done in response as far as Shilpa Shinde, who is the CEO of the Delhi Jal Board, who has clearly gone out to dismiss the allegations as factually incorrect. She's called without any basis and misleading. As far as the fact of the matter is that the Delhi Jal Board regularly monitors incoming water quality and regulates supplies depending on various parameters, and these various parameters also include when it comes to change in the weather conditions. In this formal letter to the Delhi's Chief Secretary, that has also clarified that such claims were harmful not only when it comes to public confidence, but also when it comes to interstate relations between Delhi and Haryana. And here, when it comes to the Delhi Jal Board, that has urged such statements that have been made by political parties here, Aam Aadmi Party in this case, which has now been described as fear-mongering and could also have more damaging consequences, and has requested the issue to be referred to the Delhi Lieutenant Governor V.K. Saxena. Let's in the meantime also talk about when it comes to sources also suggesting that Haryana government is now mulling legal action against the Aam Aadmi Party and is likely to file a defamation case against Arvind Kejriwal for making such statements. In fact, when it comes to dragging Haryana, saying that there is a possibility of water being poisoned, and this is coming in from Haryana's side, which may have avoided mass casualties in the national capital. Let's get in a word from Mohit now. Mohit, underscoring the potential damage that may have been caused by the statement made by Arvind Kejriwal and Atishi as well, if you can tell us exactly when it comes to Haryana and what legal action that they are now mulling in the upcoming Delhi elections, of course, that is now taking place, but how it would impact when it comes to the Aam Aadmi Party and, of course, Delhi elections. Pavit?
Yes, so after the water terrorism charges, which are being allegedly said by Arvind Kejriwal and Aam Aadmi Party and Atishi's remark, now the BJP government, the Saini government, is mulling charges and are going to move to the Election Commission and are going to file a defamation case today. So there is the sources state that today they are going to meet the BJP representatives, are going to meet the Election Commission for the same, and there are speculations also that the defamation case might be filed against the Aam Aadmi Party, because these kind of allegations are somehow they are defaming the BJP-led government in Haryana, and even they have said that this is defaming the image, and these kind of water terrorism charges are not going to be taken in a good manner because the elections are around the corner, and these kind of things are regularly defaming the government, and the water terrorism charges are going to take a legal defamation case turn now.
All right, so this is now coming in from the Haryana Chief Minister Nayaab Singh Saini, who has also countered the allegations accusing the Delhi government of deflecting blame from its own shortcomings, where he has stated that the Aam Aadmi Party government often points fingers at other states for its own failures to address local issues. Pavit, thank you very much for joining in. Let's in the meantime play out the counter coming in from the Haryana Chief Minister.
मैं आज आपने क्वेश्चन रेज किया है ये, और उनकी फितरत भी है, उनकी सोच भी है, आरोप लगा करके भाग जाओ। मैंने ये कहा कि आप अपने चीफ सेक्रेटरी को भेजिए। मैं अपने चीफ सेक्रेटरी को कहता हूं, जहां से सोनीपत से हम दिल्ली को पानी दे रहे हैं, आप उसको चेक कराइए। ये तो कोई वो नहीं है, कोई भी आकर के चेक कर सकता है, लेबोरेटरी से आकर के देख सकता है हम कैसा पानी दे रहे हैं।
दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री झूठ बोलने की फैक्ट्री है। जहां से हमारा पानी एंटर कर रहा है वहां का बीओडी चेक कर लो। सारे पत्रकारों को ले जाओ, सारे एनालिस्ट को ले जाओ, सारे साइंटिस्टों को ले जाओ, वहां पानी चेक कर लो और ओगला में जाके चेक कर लो, पता लग जाएगा कि पानी गंदा कौन कर रहा है। अब दिल्ली का गंद हमने थोड़ा साफ करना है, दिल्ली का गंद तो केजरीवाल जी को साफ कर रहा था, जो वो नहीं कर सके।
अरविंद केजरीवाल जी अन्ना हजारे जी के आंदोलन की उपज है। उन्होंने कितनी कस्में खाई थी? नंबर 1, मैं कोई सिक्योरिटी नहीं लूंगा अगर सत्ता में आया तो। मैं कोई सरकारी गाड़ी नहीं लूंगा अगर सत्ता में आया तो। मैं किसी सरकारी बंगले में नहीं रहूंगा अगर सत्ता में आया तो। दिल्ली की जनता समझ चुकी है। इस बार भारतीय जनता पार्टी की दिल्ली विधानसभा में बहुमत के साथ सरकार बन रही है। अरविंद केजरीवाल जी का भ्रष्टाचार और इनकी झूठ बोलने की आदत दिल्ली की जनता समझ चुकी है, और दिल्ली की जनता ये भी समझ चुकी है कि जब डबल इंजन की सरकार होगी तभी दिल्ली में ज्यादा विकास के काम होंगे। इसलिए भारतीय जनता पार्टी आएगी।
The leader said denying any deliberate pollution of the river, further intensifying the political back and forth.